Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Azana, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's 2026, it's the new year, and I know a lot of people are looking for ways to make money online. So I'm here to share how I made 8,000 Rand in 4 weeks with SHEIN affiliate marketing. SHEIN affiliate marketing is relatively new in South Africa, and it is so easy to join. All you have to do is to go to Google and type SHEIN affiliate marketing South Africa, and then it will take you to the SHEIN website, and you can log in using your details, meaning your email address, and just verify that that is your account. And then after that, there will be a tab where it says affiliate, and then you have to follow the prompts and apply to be a SHEIN affiliate. The prompts are very straightforward. Basically, you put in your information, you put in your social media. You don't have to have thousands of followers. You don't have to have a lot of followers, but as long as you have social media platforms. So you must have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever platform that you want to use. If you are approved, you're going to have to promote your codes either on Instagram or TikTok or whatever social media platform that you want. That is the information that you need to put in when you're applying to be an affiliate, and it's relatively straightforward. That's why I'm not dwelling on this step. But if you are struggling, please do ask questions. I'll be happy to answer you guys in the comment section. And then once you've done that, it takes about, I would say, an hour, less than an hour for you to get approved. You basically get approved on the same day, and then now you are a SHEIN affiliate, right? Once you are approved, it's going to be slightly different on your website. There's going to be an affiliate tab, and on that affiliate tab, you're going to get codes. These are the codes that you should promote. So SHEIN will generate codes for you that are unique to you that you can promote. And once someone purchases using your code, then you're going to get a certain percentage in terms of commission. I believe that commission is 20%, between 20 or 30%. I'll double check, I'm not sure, but you do get commission. So if I buy using your code, I will get a commission, or if you buy using my code, I will get commission. And the commission is honestly great. There will be multiple codes that you're going to get. So you're going to get a code for maybe 60% off, or 30% off, 90%, up to 90% off. But this is how it works. The codes, if it's a 60% off code, it doesn't mean that every item is going to be 60% discounted on that code. This is specific to certain items on the SHEIN website. So it does fluctuate. So it doesn't say 60%, it says up to 60%. And I think that's something that you need to clarify when you are making your content, right? So now you've been approved, you're a SHEIN affiliate, and it's time to promote your codes. I will share with you guys now how I cracked the code and managed to make 8,000 Rands. So once I personally got approved, I was so excited. I basically started sharing my codes on my stories, hoping that people were going to use my codes, right? Wrong. I got crickets, okay? Nothing. It was quiet because I was just sharing the code and saying use my SHEIN code, and that's it. And this is how I managed to get people to actually use my codes. So what I did is I made videos educating people on how to use the code. Beginning of this video, I did say that SHEIN affiliate marketing is relatively new in South Africa, so a lot of people don't know much about it. So if you want to be successful in SHEIN affiliate marketing, you need to educate. So what I did is I made videos educating people on how to use my codes. I would paste my code on the search bar, and I'm screen recording, right? Paste my code on the search bar, I would search, I would put items on my cart, and I would show people how much they're gonna get in terms of a discount when using my codes. So once you get this right, that is when you're gonna start making money. Because one, a lot of people every single day they are purchasing on SHEIN, but they're not using their codes. In most cases, they don't know how to use the codes. So the minute you educate people on how to use the codes, that is how you start making money. And I would say on my videos, I'll prompt people on my videos to say, if you are purchasing on SHEIN, or if you want to purchase on SHEIN, if you use this code, you would get up to 60% discount on the items that you are purchasing, right? And also I would say, save this video for later, so that when you are purchasing, you can come back and reference this video so that you can get the codes, right? So you need to prompt people. You first need to educate, and you need to prompt people. And I feel like educating in terms of showing how to use the code, that's where I was very, very successful. And I made 8,000 rands, and I couldn't believe it. Every single day I would get someone purchasing using my code, which was such an amazing feeling. So if you want to do SHEIN affiliate marketing, focus on educational content, educate people on how to use the codes on SHEIN. I started sharing my codes, and I could see that people are purchasing and I am making commission from the codes. Then I didn't make more content or more educational content in terms of educating people. There's only so much you can do to educate people on how to use SHEIN codes, right? So that I saw, but okay, I made this video, it's very, very successful. People are purchasing using my codes. What else can I do to promote my codes, right? I just kept on sharing the same video. So this week I would post the video. It will get maybe 5 saves. Next week it will get 15 saves. The other week it will get 35 saves. And then every week, once a week, I would post the very same video, so that so that TikTok or Instagram or whatever platform I was using, I found success on TikTok, right? I didn't really use Instagram to promote my codes at all. The main platform I was using is TikTok. So every week, once a week, I would post the same video, and TikTok would push that video to a new audience, which again, I got more people buying and more people using my codes. That is how I was successful in terms of SHEIN affiliate marketing. And like I said, I made 8,000 rands. I didn't know at the time. I was like, is this legit? But I'm happy to report that yes, it's legit. I did get my money. I did withdraw successfully. After withdrawing, it took about a week for the funds to get deposited into my account, and yeah. And other videos that I've made, like I said, you need to make educational content. Eventually I started making other videos, so I would also share my top picks. So I would choose certain items on SHEIN that I liked. I would add them almost like to my storefront, and then I would share the code, so that if I'm promoting a certain item, someone can use my code and see my top picks, instead of just going on SHEIN and just wondering where to find this item, right? So this is basically trial and error, right? I'm still new to this. I'm also still learning every single day. I did find success with that particular video. Eventually I made more videos promoting different codes using the same style, which is I was still educating people. And now there's also pay flags on SHEIN. Some people don't know that there's pay flags on SHEIN, so you can be the person to educate that okay, there's actually pay flags on SHEIN. You don't have to pay for items up front, just by sharing your screen and showing what you are doing. So basically play around on the app and get comfortable with the app, and whenever you find new information, you can bring that information to the people, and in the same process promote your codes. So I feel like that is how I cracked the code. I'm still playing around, trying to find other ways of promoting my codes. There's also this thing called top picks, where you can hot certain items and add them almost like your storefront, so that if someone wants to shop my looks or the things that I've picked out on SHEIN, then they can do that by just entering a code. But like I said, I'm still trying to find a formula that works for that. The nice thing about TikTok is that you can just post things and see how they do, you know. Don't be afraid to post things, push things out and see how they do. That is how you learn. That is how I learned. That is how I did my research. I watched other people that did SHEIN affiliate marketing, and I figured that they also tried to figure it out, and I found my style in terms of how I'm going to promote, right? So now I'm trying to find different styles of promoting. And for me, this is easy because I don't need to spend money on Shein. I spend money if I want to, not so I don't need to spend money in order for people to use my codes. Basically, that's why I love the educational content, because I don't have £2 a week or a month to spend on Shein to promote. But if you do, that's something that you can do, meaning you buy stuff from Shein, you show it to the people, and you do a Shein haul. Shein hauls are very popular, and very you can get success from doing Shein hauls. So that's another way you can promote. You can buy stuff that you like, do a Shein haul, and then when you're doing that haul, use that as an opportunity to promote your codes. That is also something that you can do. But I found a way where I can promote my codes and not have to spend money on Shein every single week. Don't get me wrong, I love spending money on Shein. I'm still spending money on Shein, but that is in my own terms and not because I want to push my codes, if that makes sense. So I just wanted to come on here and share that 2 cents with you guys. I know all of us, it is the new year, we're looking for ways of making money. This is a way that I've made money via Shein affiliate marketing. I haven't really been promoting lately. I'm gonna get back to promoting my codes as well. So also on this video, on my description box, I will share my codes. If you're not interested in making money on Shein but you want the discounts, I will share all of my codes in this description box. If you want to shop and get discounts, it's honestly a win-win situation. I get commission and you get a discount. So it's a win-win situation if you ask me. I will be sharing my codes again in the description box. Shameless plug. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to come on here and share a video that is relevant to it being the new year. I know in South Africa, the unemployment rate is so high. So you just need to find ways, creative ways of making money online. There is money to be made online. You just need to be a person that is curious and not afraid to put yourself out there and try new things. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this was informative. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.